So we will be cleaning out this fridge. It's not dirty. It's just unorganized and it's getting on my nerves. So let's do it. Alright, so we start with the leftovers. That's broccoli. I made that last night. I'm gonna keep it. We got potatoes last night, keeping it. Just bought these eggs. Eggs expired. Oh, did something come out? No. Oh, the one of the eggs expired. We got a cracked egg. That's okay. So, nobody eats this. Half the bagels. Got cherries for case. I have containers for these, so I probably will do that. Alright, that's one shelf down. We got some coconut milk for rice and peas. Probably will be throwing that away, but I'll wait. Cheese. Condiments, pepperoni for Paige. Some hard seltzers. Gotta have White Claws now. Alright. So, I feel real bad about throwing these out, but I thought them out yesterday and decided not to cook them. The barramundi fish. And I know there's people in Africa who need food, but these are not good anymore, because I'm not cooking tonight. Pediasures for Paige. Lots of Pediasure. I'm going to combine all this, because no point in having them in 2 places. Alright, so I got 2 shelves. Let me wipe these out. Let me use some Lysol wipes. One shelf down. I'm going to restock it as I go. So put my bagels back in. Jake eats bagels every morning. Eggs. Actually, should I take out the broken egg? Oh, paper towel. Let's do that. This out. Combine all the Pediasures. One place. These box juices. December. So they're good. There's some space in here. One more. So she doesn't drink chocolate, so I'm going to throw these away, which is a shame for her. But there's no point in keeping them because I know she's not going to drink them. Got all that. Oh, nope. I didn't wipe the shelf off. business. So I'll add you in here. I'll have another one of these. The White Claws. These are mango flavored. Actually, I know these are too tall. Oh, just made it. Okay. Next shelf. Got some milk. Throw this box now. This doesn't even go on the shelf. It's in $1,000 dressing. Creamer. So, ideally, I want these to go in here, but they don't fit. So, yeah, they have to stay on the shelf. What else can go in there? I don't know. Okay. That milk's so heavy. This doesn't go on the shelf. Whatever. This apple juice is pretty old. Ooh, yeah, it's not supposed to fizzle. Apple juice. I'm gonna let that go. Especially because I still have box juices. Okay. Maybe. Gatorades to fit on one level. I'll give you a close-up when I'm done. Now I'm going to wipe off the shelf with the milk. This is more than one. Look at these drawers. So I have a whole drawer of cheese. It's a cheese jar. There. Better. We're going to throw out some of these cheese, for sure. Here we go. Pepperoni, that's new. I'm keeping it. Cheese, 6/8/22, garbage. Pages red cheese for her snack. It's okay. Half sugar. Why do I have so much in it? May 22. This is open. I'm guessing this is January. October 22, but it's almost done. We have August 20th, which is like next week. Anyway. 22? I don't know. Sorry. If I have to guess, I'm going to assume it's not going to work. string cheese. I'm sure they will. This is definitely burdock root. Mine doesn't even use this anymore. So I'm going to open. It's under these air things. Put that in my sink for future reference. Alright. Cheese jar is good. Let me wipe it out. Lots of sliced cheese. Cleaned. Oh, I forgot you were on there. So, let's put the cheese back in. Pepperonis back in. Other cheeses. There was more pepperoni. Where's Paige's pepperoni? Here we go. Good. Let the milk back. Milk, old creamers. Well, they're not old. They're about to be finished. And leftovers. Alright, progress being made. Let's go down here. Strawberries. Leftover crab legs from yesterday. So I'm going to keep that here. Add some green onion, some thyme, and some bacon, which is still good until October. I hate old bacon though. I will keep it for now. Like, creeps me out when it's not like brand new out the pack. I don't like bacon that looks like it's been used. I'm a weirdo. Okay. So in here, can't see it, can you? Let's do this. That's right. This is all Lunchables for school lunches. All there. Ham. Mommy's Lunchables. An old one. And it looks like something must have spilled in here. Yucky. Who knew this would be so much work? So this might need to come out. Yeah. This one is going to need to be cleaned. So put this up here. And onto this shelf. Random bag. has to be cleaned. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like my Freon or something back there is leaking. Oh, yeah. You have good hot dogs. Don't know why it's gonna have that. That's old Sutter Home wine. Yeah, see that? I don't know what that is. The Freon's leaking from the wires. I feel like that's not supposed to be there. Don't know if I should have done that. I'm in here, I might as well get in here, right? More labor intensive than I was expecting. Alright, let's rinse out these canisters or whatever bins. warm water and not cooking. That's what I do. Wipe these out a little with a paper towel. And have sitting water. Okay. And get these bad boys back in. This one off. Hold on. Love me some Lysol wipes. Good job, done. Shakalaka. And it's the glass. I'm going to leave this empty for my Hello Chef bag. Put the Thai scallion back in. I'm also going to put strawberries right here. We use them every day. And grapes and cherries, I want them in place. Now let's work on the door before I put the fruits back in. I am out of breath, yeah. Okay. Whole bag of garbage so far. So I'm going to check the dates. February, May, October's okay. September's okay. Nobody's mustard though. August. February 2024. This looks bad. We'll keep it because we only put blue cheese. And it does not have a date, it seems. Doesn't have a why do we have so much sour cream? August 23rd. August 2nd. September. Okay. So let me write this out. August. That's 4. October 23, okay. Now we can open this. So 21. When I wipe them out, I'll go down. 24, I mean. This feels like it's gone. way down to the bottom. Good. This expire. It does say it's alcohol. Does it expire? Soy sauce. 23. Did I have that? 9. Chicken broth. Sofrito. It looks like this one comes out. Get the scrubbing. Now we're going to put alcohol back. Dry them out. And restock. Back in. coconut milk. Saving tomato paste. Don't really need it. We just have to be October. And these. Alright, we are looking better. Now I'm going to package up the fruit in the little fruit bins and put them in. Savers, I guess. I'm going to do cherries with this one. Now I used to wash them and put them in here, but I realized they don't last as long. So, just to make it neat. Strawberries in this one. A little color. So I thought you were supposed to wash it, but I thought wrong. So I just look at them, make sure there's no fur, no rotten ones. Just throw them in. These are older strawberries. I don't want to mix them, but these still look good. Okay. I don't have enough space for the grapes, so the grapes are going to stay in the bag. Bada boom, bada bing. Whoopsie. I'm going to put my Hello Fresh bags in. They come like this. All your meals are in these bags. This is chicken sausage and broccoli pasta skillet. So I save them because the box is insulated. It comes with this, and the food, the meat, you'll see is at the bottom. Underneath, so they put the meat with the ice packs. So, sorry for all this movement I'm making around. This one is street cart style turkey bowls. Oh, sorry. Lemon secret sauce chicken sandwich. Alright. What do you think? Oh, great. I think it looks much better than when we started. Now as for the meat, I put it in this. I'm not even gonna, no, I'm not doing it. So, meat, which is ground turkey, 20 ounces. We've got some chicken cutlets. And apparently, broccoli? And chicken sausage. Okay, the fridge organization is complete. Things are neat. And most importantly, things are clean. Wiped out all the shelves. Got rid of old food. Especially from condiments. There's a lot of expired condiments that we didn't use. But yeah, I am happy. I didn't expect it would be so labor intensive to just, clean out the fridge. But through this, I've decided that we probably need a new fridge. There's some like tubes going on in the back, and I see the tubes are leaking. And because of that, our ice machine doesn't always work. So it has to do, I'm assuming they talk to each other. And the fridge, I looked, it says manufactured in 2005. That would make it 17. That's an old fridge. Time to get a new one. I mean, it looks good. Nothing wrong with that. But I also need more space. Between half of this is Chase and Paige. Look, all of this is Chase. I don't drink Gatorade. Nobody else does. Peter's sure that's all Paige. My little 1 or 2 cans of White Claw. All these fruits, all these Lunchables, they're all the kids. These cheese, this pepperoni. So, if it was my fridge, it would have milk, bagels, and eggs, and cheese. Everything else is, because I have children. So I think we're at the point now where we need a full size, or I don't know what they're called, where they're split. The top of the fridge is just fridge, and then there's a bottom drawer for freezer. Although, we're not going to get into this. We're not going to talk about this freezer right now because I don't even want to. This is this is a day and a half of cleaning. And the thing is, all this stuff is new because I just cleaned it out. And we have a freezer downstairs. So there's no reason for it to look like this. But whatever. If you hear this noise, listen. This is why we need a new fridge. But, in all, I am happy with my results. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.